Love you, love you. Stick to you, stick to you.
Well, I don't love you. Hey folks, I'm Clingy, and today we are going to diving into the warm, sticky, and easily oxidized world of copper machining. You think copper looks like cute and innocent with that reddish shine? No, it's a drama queen in disguise. If you don't treat it right, your tools will cry and your machine will throw a tantrum. Lesson 1. Don't underestimate copper's gleaming personality. Copper's thermal conductivity is off the charts. The cutting tools heat up faster than microwave popcorn. And copper loves to stick to your tools. The fix? Don't panic. Use razor-sharp carbide tools, run high RPM, and add MOL or mix coolant. Copper will behave, I promise. Lesson 2. Chill with the fancy designs. Yes, copper is soft. No, that doesn't mean you can slack off on tolerances. Design a part with paper seam worse. One tiny vibration during cutting, and boom, you are left with copper chips shaped like potato crisps. My tip, keep it simple. Use big radii at corners, add ribs to reinforce seamless. Treat copper like a sensitive thing. Don't stress it out. Lesson 3. Clingy's pro tips for copper. High speed, light cuts, don't go full berserk. Use negative rig angle tools to reduce sticking. Program spiral entries to keep toothpaste smooth. Clean the part immediately after machining, or it will oxidize like it's auditioning for an antique shop. Copper might look chill, but trust me, it's got issues. To master copper, you need to treat it like a relationship. Understand it, respect it, go with the flow. I'm Clingy, CNC Whisperer and Copper Tamer. Got a copper part and don't know where to start? Don't sweat it. Come to TiRapid, we will design it, machine it, and finish like pros. We will have your copper parts shining and behaving in no time. See you next time.